In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do backtesting in Metatrader 5. Backtesting means running your trading strategy on historical price data to see how it might have performed without risking real money. In MT5, this usually involves an expert advisor, or EA. By simulating trades on past prices, you'll get a detailed look at profit, drawdown, and the full trade history, which helps you understand strengths and weaknesses before going live. Start by opening the Strategy Tester. In the top menu, go to View, then Strategy Tester, or simply press Ctrl+R. A testing panel appears at the bottom of the platform, and that's where all the action happens. Next, choose what you want to test. Select the expert advisor you'd like to run, pick the market symbol, and set the time frame like M1, H1, or D1. Remember, automatic backtesting in MT5 requires an EA. The platform doesn't simulate manual click-to-trade strategies by default. Now, set your backtest parameters. Choose a date range so MT5 knows exactly which period to simulate. Then select a modeling method. Every tick is the most precise because it simulates price movement tick by tick, though it's the slowest. 1-minute OHLC is faster and approximates intrabar moves. Open prices only is quickest, but least precise. Best for strategies that act strictly at the bar open. If you want to watch trades unfold on a chart, enable visual mode. It's useful for debugging and learning, but it will run slower than a non-visual test. When everything looks right, click Start. MT5 will pull the historical data for that symbol and time frame and begin running the simulation according to your EA's logic and the options you chose. If visual mode is on, you'll see a chart animate as orders open and close. If it's off, you'll simply see progress in the tester status line. Be patient. Higher precision modeling naturally takes longer. Once the run finishes, review the results in the Testers tabs. The Results tab lists every trade with times, prices, and profit or loss, so you can trace the EA's behavior. The Graph tab shows the balance and equity curves, helping you spot drawdowns at a glance. The Report tab summarizes key statistics such as net profit, profit factor, and maximum drawdown, giving you an objective snapshot of performance. The Journal tab logs messages that help with troubleshooting. That's the full workflow for backtesting in MT5. Take your time comparing modeling options, confirm the date range contains data for your symbol, and use visual mode when you need clarity. With a disciplined approach to testing and analysis, you'll move from guesswork to evidence-based decisions.